Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check screen time on your iPhone. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up our settings first. From your settings, you're going to scroll down until you see screen time right here. And right here gives you all your screen time for this phone. As you can see here, I can see it for other device that's using the same Apple account as well, or this one. Simply click on see all apps and activity, and this gives me a summary of for the week. I can also choose it for the day. You can also change the devices. So if you have a couple devices using the same Apple ID, it can actually track those for you. So individually, you can select the ones available here, tap on day, and then you can see which apps are being used for how long. Also other things as well, notification. All those information are available for you to take a look, and that's how you can check the screen time, and then click on each one to see more detailed report of how much screen time you're using on each of the app. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you guys next time.